Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Happy New Year guys. I am really excited to have you back on this channel this new year. Thank you guys so much for supporting me in the past year. And if you're new here, if today is your very first time of seeing this face, my name is Hanson. I create a lot of fashion content on this channel. So if you like what you see already, I will appreciate it if you click on the subscribe button and subscribe. Join the family and I promise you're gonna like it here. And I really want to appreciate you, my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all the support in the previous year, and I do not take any of your support for granted. So guys, starting off with the first video of this year, I thought I'd make a sit down video so we can chit chat a little bit. As you can tell by the title already, today's video is going to be some tips and tricks that I have used and implemented myself in the previous years that has really helped me in my own journey in elevating my style and just overall dressing better. So yeah, if you would like to elevate your own style and dress better in 2022, then sit back and relax, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. So without talking too much, let's just dive right straight into the video. Before we get into the video, a very quick disclaimer: I am no fashion guru, okay? I am just a human being like you who strives daily to elevate my style and to dress better, to look better generally. So yeah, at the end of the day, you do you, whatever works for you. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out before we get into the video. Alright guys, the very first tips and tricks I would say is for you to get the basics. Basics or wardrobe essentials are those items that you have in your wardrobe that you can build your outfits out of. So basics like a white t-shirt, a black t-shirt, a black jeans, a black pants, you know, a white button down shirt, you know, a blazer, a coat. Those basic items that you can build your outfits out of. And if you do not know where to start from, there are so many videos on YouTube, including the one that I've made in the past, which I'm going to link up here if you want to go check that out. Like I said, the basics are just really going to help you put your outfit together, and you can build your outfit out of them. So yeah, getting the basics is very important if you want to elevate your style and to dress better in 2022. Alright guys, tips number 2 that I have for you guys is to accessorize. Okay, do not underestimate the power of accessories. Accessories like hats, belts, rings, necklace, earrings, you know, handbag. Accessories just helps to put your outfit together. My favorite accessories I would say is a belt. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I love to accessorize with belts. You know, you can put a belt on a blazer, you can put a belt on a dress, you can put a belt on a pants, you can put a belt on a skirt, you know. When in doubt, put a belt on it, okay? So yeah, accessories are very important if you want to elevate your style. You don't really need to go out and buy a bunch of accessories. If you just get the simple ones that you can use on an everyday basis, that is fine. So make sure that you accessorize your outfit, and I promise you it is going to elevate your outfit, and in general you're going to dress better and you're going to look better. So yeah, accessorize. Don't overdo it though, because you can easily overdo it with an accessories. Less is always more. So yeah, accessorize your outfit, and it's going to help to elevate your outfit and make you dress better in general. Alright guys, the third tips and tricks is the 3-color rule and to coordinate your outfit. Now the 3-color rule is basically you just making sure that you don't at a particular point in time do or combine more than 3 colors in a particular outfit. Okay, is just basically that. Do not do more than 3 colors in one outfit. Somebody like me, I like to stick with 2. But then if I really cannot make 2 happen, I would do 3. That is why I love to wear a lot of monochrome outfits, okay? Because to me it's just easier rather than have to, you know, think about what color goes with what color or what color can I add to what color. I would say stick with the 3-color rules and coordinate your outfit. Now with coordinating your outfit means, okay, what color goes with what color? Like I said, when in doubt, I would say go to Pinterest. Pinterest Pinterest is the, one place that you can get inspiration for absolutely anything, especially when it comes to dressing up and coordinating your outfit. For example, if you wanted to pair, let's say, blue and pink together and you are not sure what it's going to look like, you're not sure if this color is even going to go well together, quickly hop onto Pinterest and just type in blue and pink outfit. I promise you're going to see a lot of outfit that pops up which people have styled already, which are combining blue and pink. In that case, you can see for yourself and know if you like how it looks and to see if it's something that you would love to try it yourself. So yeah, coordinating your outfit and sticking to the 3 color rule is really, really important if you want to elevate your style and to dress better. I know people who love to wear colors, who love to express yourself with colors. Of course, by all means, do you. But like I said, if you are in doubt, if you are not sure what colors to go with, I would suggest you go to Pinterest and take a look and try to see if the colors that you're trying to coordinate and put together is something that really works well together. Like I said, stick with the 3 color rule. Do not go more than 3 colors at a time because it just really doesn't look good, in my opinion. If you even want to take it the extra step, try to stay within the same tones, okay? Like for example, pairing cool tones with cool tones and warm tones with warm tones. Like I said, that is an extra step. Whenever you are trying to put your outfit together, having this in mind is really going to help you if you are trying to dress better and to look better. And I promise you, it's just going to make your outfit look much better and you're going to feel better. Trust me, you will. Alright guys, the next tips and tricks that I have used over the years that has really helped me is for you to plan your outfit. Planning your outfit is really, really important if you want to elevate your style and look better. Say you have somewhere to go, or if you're even somebody that has a 9-to-5 job that you have to work Monday to Friday, or you have this meeting, you have this meetup, it's better for you to plan your outfit ahead of time. I do this personally a lot. Planning your outfit is really, really going to help you. It's going to give you enough time to really work out the best outfit and see what this outfit is going to look like on you. So plan your outfit ahead of time. Put your outfit together. Look at yourself in the mirror. What does it look like? Do you like the way it is being paired? If not, you try it with some other thing. Take a picture, accessorize it as well, not just put it on the clothes. What shoes do you think would go with it? I do this a lot and I enjoy. It's something that I actually really, really enjoy. Sometimes I plan outfits even when I don't have anywhere to go. I just plan it. I know that when I eventually have somewhere to go, because I already planned that outfit out, I don't have to stress. Like I said, it's going to just give you enough time to work out the best outfit for yourself. But yeah, if you really want to elevate your style, look better and dress better, then it is important for you to plan your outfit ahead of time. The list would be a night before, but sometimes if you even have enough time, do it even earlier than that. So planning your outfit is really, really important because it's really going to help you in the long run to dress better and to elevate your style. Alright guys, the next tip that I have for you is to stay organized. This one should go hand in hand with planning your outfit because of course, for you to be able to plan, you have to also stay organized. Organize your closet as much as you can. If possible, try to color coordinate your clothes. This is just going to make your life much easier. Whenever you want to plan your outfit, if you know where all your pants are, you know where all your white shirts are, you know where all your blacks are, it makes your life easier and you know where to grab each of these items. I don't know about you, but whenever my closet is not organized, because we all have those times, okay, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that my closet is always organized. No, I get really stressed and I get frustrated. So at the end of the day, I might end up just grabbing whatever, especially when you don't have enough time. So yeah, staying organized is really, really important. Try as much as possible to keep your closet organized. Organize your clothes, color coordinate them. That is an extra step. If you can do that, it is really important. It's going to help you. It's going to make your life easier. You know the things you have and you know what you don't have. You know where to go when you need a particular, piece of item in your wardrobe. So yeah, organizing is really, really important. If you want to elevate your style and dress better, staying organized is really, really important and you should consider it if you haven't already. All right guys, the very last tip that I have to share with you guys today is to have fun with it. If you want to really elevate your style and dress better in 2022, you would have to learn to have fun with your outfits. I challenge you to go into your closet, grab some outfits and try to style them. This is something that I really enjoy doing. So many times I would just go into my room, lock myself up, bring out a bunch of clothing and start trying them out and putting them together. And I challenge you to do the same. It's going to open your eyes to discover the different ways that you can style the different things that you have. So yeah, at the end of the day, fashion is supposed to be fun. It's not just about replicating whatever you see your favorite content creator or your favorite celebrity is wearing on yourself. You know, it's not all about that. It is creativity. I love the fact that fashion allows you to be creative. It's a way of expressing yourself, you know, how you actually really visualize and see yourself on the inside. So you get to express that in the outside. It gives you the opportunity to be creative, you know, to have fun, to express yourself with different styles, with different patterns for yourself. So yeah, it's really something that you have to learn to enjoy and have fun with if you really want to elevate your style and dress better in 2022. All right guys, so those are some of the tips that has helped me in my own personal journey to elevate my style and to dress better, and I hope these tips are useful to you as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know which of these tips you are going to start implementing if you haven't already in your own personal journey, and also share with me the ones that you have been doing already so I would also learn from you. Leave me a comment down below as I love to read from you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a huge thumbs up. It is really important. And if you're not following me on my social media, please go follow me on there. I made a poll recently asking my followers what they want to see more of this year, if they want to see more outfit reels or outfit posts. More people said they wanted to see more outfit reels, so I will be doing a lot more of that over on my Instagram. So yeah, if you're not following me, go ahead and follow me so you will not miss any of that when I do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. God bless you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.